What if some of the smartest upgrades for your workshop cost less than a single sheet of plywood? On TechVerse, we're uncovering 20 surprisingly powerful woodworking tools that deliver precision, control, and real results without breaking your budget. Stay with us, because every tool you see has its Amazon link in the description, and missing even one could mean missing your next perfect build. Wolfcraft Eccentric Furniture Connector Set. When building furniture that may need future adjustments, permanent joints can limit flexibility. The Wolfcraft Eccentric Furniture Connector Set allows you to create strong joints that can also be disassembled when needed. It includes a drilling template and depth stop drill bits to ensure precise placement. Designed around a standard hole system, it supports consistent alignment. It is a practical solution for building cabinets and modular furniture, with both strength and adjustability. Multi-extension shaft. Working in tight spaces often makes drilling or sanding difficult with standard tools. The multi-extension shaft extends the reach of your drill while keeping control stable through its non-rotating outer sleeve. This allows you to guide the tool safely by hand while the internal shaft rotates. It improves access in confined areas and supports attachments like sanding heads. It is a useful upgrade for precision work where space is limited. Kaindl WOOD-PLANE. Removing material quickly while maintaining control can be challenging with traditional hand tools. The Kaindl WOOD-PLANE attaches to an angle grinder and uses replaceable cutting elements to shape wood efficiently. Its design helps limit chip thickness, reducing kickback while maintaining smooth material removal. Built from durable materials, it performs well on both soft and hard wood. It is a powerful option for shaping, carving, and surface leveling tasks. Indexable joiners combination squares. Marking accurate angles is essential for clean joinery work. The Indexable joiners combination squares are designed specifically for precision tasks like dovetail layout, combining standard 90-degree references with specialized angles. Laser engraved markings improve readability, and the locking mechanism ensures consistent positioning. It allows you to transfer measurements accurately across projects. It is a reliable tool for achieving clean, repeatable layout work in detailed woodworking. Grizzly G0995 Wood Lathe. When turning bowls or spindles, inconsistent speed can affect the final finish. The Grizzly G0995 Wood Lathe uses a digitally controlled motor to maintain steady performance without belts or pulleys. With programmable speed presets and spindle reversing, it allows better control during shaping and finishing. The system is designed to deliver smooth operation with reduced power loss. It is a reliable machine for precise and consistent wood-turning work. Leather paddle strop. Even the best chisels lose their edge without regular maintenance. The leather paddle strop helps keep cutting tools sharp using two surfaces, one for refining and one for polishing. Mounted on a flat wooden base, it ensures even contact during stropping. With regular use and compound, it maintains sharp edges without removing excess material. It is a simple but essential tool for keeping woodworking tools performing at their best. Carter stabilizer. Cutting intricate shapes on a bandsaw can become difficult when blade stability is limited. The Carter stabilizer replaces standard upper guides and provides a single-point support system for narrow blades. This improves control and allows smoother, more precise cuts, especially in curved or detailed work. Installation is straightforward, and it adapts to different setups. It is a practical upgrade for improving accuracy in fine cutting tasks. Milescraft 3403 Grabber. Handling wood safely near cutting tools requires both grip and distance from the blade. The Milescraft 3403 Grabber holds workpieces firmly while keeping your hands at a safe angle. Its non-marring rubber base prevents slipping without damaging the surface. The ergonomic handle improves control, especially when guiding longer boards. It is a dependable tool that enhances both safety and precision during cutting operations. Bench chisels. When shaping joints or cleaning up cuts, dull or unbalanced chisels can ruin precision. Bench chisels are designed with hardened steel blades that hold a sharp edge while delivering controlled cuts. Their handles are shaped to transfer force efficiently from a mallet without discomfort. Suitable for tasks like mortising, trimming, and detailing, they provide consistent performance. They are an essential tool for achieving clean, accurate woodworking results. Setting gauge. Setting blade height or bit depth by eye can lead to small errors that affect the final cut. The setting gauge allows precise measurement and adjustment for tools like table saws and routers. Made from durable materials with a smooth adjustment mechanism, it works both vertically and horizontally. It helps ensure repeatable setups across different tasks. It is a practical tool for improving accuracy and consistency in workshop setups. Garden stapler. Managing plants or securing materials in outdoor projects can take time with manual tying methods. The garden stapler simplifies this by fastening stems quickly using tape and staples in one motion. Its ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during repetitive use, while the replaceable components support long-term use. It is a convenient tool for maintaining organized growth in gardens and outdoor woodworking setups. 20-inch chainsaw. Cutting larger wood pieces for projects or firewood requires power and reliability. The 20-inch chainsaw offers strong cutting performance with a long bar that handles larger cuts efficiently. Features like an automatic oiler and chain brake improve safety and maintenance during use. Its cordless design provides flexibility without being restricted by power outlets. It is a practical tool for handling heavy cutting tasks with consistent performance. Lockmate Door Lock Installation Kit. Installing door locks without proper alignment can lead to uneven holes and wasted time. The Lockmate Door Lock Installation Kit uses a sturdy jig with drill guides to ensure accurate positioning on different door sizes. It includes hole saws and adjustable settings for common backsets, allowing clean and consistent cuts. The setup is straightforward, making it useful for both beginners and experienced users. It is a reliable tool for precise and professional door hardware installation. No 43 Plough Plane. Cutting grooves or rebates by hand requires steady control and repeatable depth. The No 43 Plough Plane is designed with an adjustable fence and depth stop, allowing accurate cuts along the edge of a board. It includes multiple blades for different groove widths, making it versatile across projects. The solid construction keeps it stable during use. It is a dependable hand tool for clean, controlled joinery work. Pole saw and mini chainsaw. Reaching high branches or tight cutting areas can be difficult with standard tools. The pole saw and mini chainsaw combines extended reach with a compact cutting head, allowing work both at height and ground level. Its lightweight design improves handling, while the motor provides efficient cutting performance. The adjustable pole adds flexibility for different tasks. It is a practical tool for safer and more controlled cutting in outdoor projects. Mini table saw. Working on small projects or detailed cuts often requires a more controlled setup. The mini table saw provides a compact cutting solution with adjustable angles and speed settings for precision work. It handles materials like wood and plastic while maintaining clean cuts. Its portable design fits small workspaces easily. It is a useful tool for hobbyists and detail work where accuracy and control are essential. Circular saw. When cutting panels or framing material, maintaining a straight and controlled cut is essential. The circular saw offers a compact cordless design that allows easy handling across different work environments. Adjustable cutting depth and a side handle improve control during operation, while the lightweight build reduces fatigue. Designed for flexibility, it delivers reliable cutting performance for both workshop and on-site projects. Parallel guide system. Achieving perfectly straight, repeatable cuts with a track saw can be difficult without proper guidance. The parallel guide system attaches to your saw setup and allows micro adjustments for precise measurements. Dual scales and a clear reading system improve accuracy, while the design supports consistent rip cuts across large panels. It is a practical tool for ensuring clean, repeatable cuts with minimal setup time. TSO MultiFunction Fence. Setting up repeatable cuts and alignment points requires a stable reference system. The TSO MultiFunction Fence provides a rigid guide with laser-engraved measurement scales for accuracy. Its adjustable design allows both vertical and horizontal mounting, while the flip stop ensures consistent positioning. Built from durable aluminum, it supports precise, repeatable work. It is a reliable tool for improving consistency in cutting and layout tasks. FESTOOL Saw Blades. The quality of your cuts depends heavily on the blade you use. FESTOOL Saw Blades are engineered for clean, precise cutting across different materials, including wood and composites. Their design reduces vibration and heat buildup, helping maintain smooth performance. Available in multiple tooth configurations, they adapt to different cutting needs. They are a dependable choice for achieving consistent, high-quality results in woodworking. That wraps up the coolest woodworking tools you can get without stretching your budget. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, share your favorite tool in the comments, and subscribe to TechVerse for more practical, high-value tool breakdowns that help you build smarter every time.